Hello and welcome to my 33-day journey where I'm resetting my life and returning to my wooden craft. Today we will be assembling wooden pens that we made yesterday and probably we'll go for some side quest.
And this one is beautiful 2000-year-old buck oak. Next one is acacia wood. I love this wood particularly because it smells like a popcorn when you are working on it. And this is beautiful acacia or acacia. Voila, alder tree. Here we are. Last one assembled. These are the wooden pens I need to take photographs of and put them on the website.
My journey really needs your support, so if you fancy any of pens I made in this video, check out my website. Time to turn myself to the human again. I look like little Smurf now.
And after quite time, maintenance mode off. And the website with wooden pens is live. I knew that there are some Scots pine trees here under the Arthur seat. So these little fellas on the ground, some of them will be future pens. And now I need to collect few that will be worth it.
I just want a nice woody ones. Some of them are well weathered, which is not good. Some of them are nicely dry. Good boy.
So the rest of the pile I'm not taking more. Let's see how long these last.
So side quest for today is finished. I have some pine cones and I can return home and see you tomorrow.
I really hope you enjoy a second day of my journey. See you again tomorrow, and if you wanna support me, please check links in the description.